Today, it's crab cakes. Crab cakes, man, I'm all about it. So I'm gonna go ahead and get my heat going on my pan with a little bit of olive oil. Now I have 2 pounds of crab meat, and I'm adding to that scallions and jalapeno peppers, mayonnaise, panko, lime zest. That makes it, you really need that lime zest. So lime zest and about 3 ounces of bacon. Old Bay seasoning, an egg, and a little bit of pepper. Hot sauce. Love, love, love hot sauce. There we go. So I'm just gonna make a beautiful little crab cake, put it right down in my skillet into the olive oil. Okay, I'm gonna let these brown, and in the meantime, I'm gonna make an awesome comeback sauce. You wanna make this sauce so all your children and grandchildren will come back. So here we go. We're gonna put in some celery, 5 stalks of celery. Okay, I'm gonna put 2 garlic cloves. I have capers and mustard and a little bit of horseradish sauce. Now that's another thing that you must do is horseradish sauce. Okay, now I've got mayonnaise. That's always a given. Pickles. I like dill pickles for this, but if you're a sweet kind of person, maybe you can do sweet. And here, parsley, a little bit of hot pepper, and a squeeze of lemon. So I'm gonna turn on this awesome blender and fire it up. Okay, we're ready to plate these awesome crab cakes. Now look at this comeback sauce. I'm just gonna drizzle it over the top, and I'm gonna do a few scallions, okay? And then I'm gonna squeeze a little lemon. And then I like to have my squoze lemon, as we say it here in the South. So there you go, crab cakes and comeback sauce.